Hello, my fourth graders. Welcome back. This is lesson 8.2, decompose fractions. Our target is to write a fraction as a sum of fractions. So basically, we are going to find out, we are going to break down this fraction into different ways, okay, to add, okay? All right, use a model to find 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10. How many 1 over 10s are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1 over 10s, okay? Since they were asking us to use a model, I'm going to cut it in half and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces, okay? And I'm going to do 1 plus 1 plus 1 over 10, 1 over 10, 1 over 10, 5 of them. Okay, that is equal to what? When you add all together, you have 5 pieces are shaded out of 10. That's half of it, okay? Now, how can you write 7 over 10 as a sum of unit fraction? Explain your reasoning. So, I can say unit fraction is what? Any fraction, it has 1 as a denominator. That is unit fraction. So how can you write 7 over 10 as a sum of unit fractions? We need what? Yes, this 7 unit fraction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is equal to 7 over 10. Okay? So the reasoning is what? There are 7 1/10 in 7 over 10. Okay? So 7 of them, okay? 7 of 1/10, okay, is in 7 over 10. All right, explain how you can write 7 over 10 as a sum of two fractions. Okay, draw a model to support your answers. Okay. Two fractions, sum of two fractions, okay? Instead of 7 of them, two fractions, we can get what? Break these 7 into. Easy one is what? 1 plus 6 or 2 plus 5, even 3 plus 4, right? Any number you want. So I'm going to pick in the middle 2 plus 5, okay? So 2 over 10 plus 5 over 10 is going to make what? 7 over 10. Okay, draw a model to support your answer. Okay, now I'm going to do this way then. Cut it in half and I'm going to split it into 5. Okay, and then I'm going to shade these 2 first and then 5 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, yep, it's gonna be what? 2 over 10 plus 5 over 10 is equal to 7 over 10. That's my model, okay? A unit fraction represents one equal part of a whole. That means what? Any number, it has what? One piece is shaded out of different numbers, okay? You can write a fraction as a sum of unit fractions. Okay, write 3 over 4 as a sum of unit fraction. How many 1/4 are going to be there? 3 1/4. Make sense? Okay. The fraction 3/4 represents 3 parts that are each 1/4 of the whole. So 3 1/4 are going to be making what? 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 is equal to what? 1 over 4, 1 over 4, 1 over 4. 3 1/4. When they come together, it becomes what? 3/4. The numerator of a unit fraction is always 1 because we are talking about only one unit out of many, okay? Okay, another example, write 5 over 12 or 5/12 as a sum of fractions. One way, Write 5 over 12 as a sum of unit fractions. Okay, so how many unit fractions are going to be needed? Yes, 5 of them, right? The fraction 5/12 represents 5 parts that are each 1/12 of the whole. So 5 over 12 is equal to what? 1 over 12, 1 over 12, 1 over 12, 1 over 12, 1 over 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Okay, that's one way. And another way, write 5 over 12 as a sum of two fractions. Break apart 5 into different numbers. Okay, so maybe we can go for what? Yes, 2 plus 3 can make 5. Okay, so part of into two parts. Okay, and then three parts. So 2 parts and 3 parts of what? 12s. That's gonna be the another way. Think, is there another way to write the sum? Yes, 1 and 4, right? That's another way. All right, write 4 over 5 as a sum of unit fraction. Okay, how many 1/5 can be there? 4 of them. That's it. Is equal to what? 4 over 5. Now, number 2, write 5/6 as a sum of fractions in two different ways. 2. Okay, so I'm going to go for 2 plus 3, okay, over 6 over 6. Oh, I need to put this symbol in the middle, okay? Is 5 over 6. Another way is I can split the 5 into 1 and 4, okay? So 1 over 6 plus 4 over 6 is also 5 over 6. There are many different ways, okay? You can always use. This is addition, basically. Very simple, okay? So it's gonna take only 20 minutes also for today's lesson. Number 3, from this page, as you know, you can do it yourself, and then you can come back when you're done with each question and check your answers with me, okay? Good luck. Okay. Write the fraction as a sum of fractions in two different ways. That's what they're asking. Okay, so I'm going to go for, 1 over 7 plus 3 over 7. Oops. Okay, and then what else? I can do 2 over 7 plus 2 over 7. Okay, any number that you want to work on. Okay, even you can work on what? Unit fractions. Okay, sum of unit fractions if the numerator is not too many, right? That way it's easier for us. Okay, now I'm going to split the 7 into 2 over 8 plus 5 over 8. And another one is I'm going to go for 1 over 8 plus 6 over 8. Any number you want. And K, this time I'm going to use what? Unit fraction. Okay, and the second one is what? 1 over 10 plus 2 over 10. This is equal to 5 over 100 plus 5 over 100. Or I can do 2 over 100 plus 8 over 100. Any number that you can work on, okay? Okay, that's going to be, I'm going to break this 6 into 1 plus 5, okay? Over 2. And then 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2. Okay? Anyway, it's fine. This is what I'm going to use 4 over 4 plus 5 over 4 and 3 over 4 plus 6 over 4. Okay? Next, it's so easy, right? 4 over 12 plus 4 over 12 and then 1 over 12 plus 7 over 12. And it's gonna be 2 over 3 plus 3 over 3 and 1 over 3 plus 4 over 3. Okay, number 11. You write 4 over 6 as a sum of unit fractions. Unit fraction, remember, right? And how many of them are needed in here? 4 of them, right? And explain how the numerator of 4 over 6 is related to the number of addends. Because you know what, there are 4 unit fractions, okay, in 4/6. Okay, that means what? It represents, this numerator represents the number of addends. Okay, so I can say there are 4 unit fractions of unit fractions of 1/6, which is what? 4/6. So 4 addends. Okay, all right, I can say in. Okay, number 12. Why is it important to be able to write a fraction as a sum of fractions in different ways? Maybe it can help us regrouping or break it apart, right? So maybe you can say any reason that is helping you. I can pick it helps with regrouping. Okay, so I want you to get ready for the improper fractions or mixed number. Okay, and you can always calculate it. It's gonna come later. Okay, so don't worry too much. It's easy. Okay, you can always breaking apart into different fractions. Okay, number 13. Match each fraction with an equivalent expressions. Okay, now 5/12. Let's find out 5. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 unit fractions. Yep, that's it. 9/12. It seems like this one. 10/12, 8/12. Okay, all you need to do is what? Just add the numerators since the denominators are all same. Okay, all right, last page already. Woo. Okay, example, a chef has 1/10 liter of soup. How can the chef pour all of the soup into 2 bowls? Okay, now break apart 8/10 into any 2 fractions that have a sum of 8/10. Okay, one way. Break apart 8 parts of 1/10. Okay, into 4 parts of 1/10, and you're going to have what? 4 parts of 1/10. That's half, right? So the chef can pour what? 4/10 liter of soup into 1 bowl and 4/10 liter of soup into the other bowl. Okay, another way is what? Break apart 8 parts of 1/10 into 5 parts of 1/10, and leftover is what? Since you use already 5 parts, then you have only 3 parts left. 3 parts of 1/10. Okay, so I'm gonna just say 3. It's not 3/10. Okay, so in here 3/10. So the chef can pour 5/10 liter of soup into 1 bowl and 3/10 liter of soup into the other bowl. It's not fair. Chef has to divide into equal pieces, right? Equal parts. Okay, maybe, yeah, if you see your friend portion is bigger than yours, you might not be happy. All right, number 14. Wow, already this is the last page. Number 14. You have 7/3 pounds of almonds. Okay, what are 2 different ways you can put all of the almonds into 2 bags? 2 different ways. It can be vary. I'm going to split that into 3/3 plus 4/3, and maybe I can put into 2/3 and 5/3. Okay, it depends on you how you want to split them. All right, number 15. A three-person painting crew has what? 10/12 of a fence left to paint. What is one way the crew can finish painting the fence when each person paints a fraction of the fence? How many people are there? 3 people. Okay, 3 person. So now when you add this 1, 2, 3, you have to have 10/12. Okay. All right. So I'm going to split that 10 into first first person, I'm gonna ask the person to do 3 out of 12. And second person is also 3 out of 12. But last person has to do 4 over 12. Okay, so last person will do a little bit more than others. Okay. All right, that's simple. Number 16. 3 teammates have to run a total of 6/4 miles for a relay race. Can each team member run the same fraction of a mile in fourths to complete the race? Explain. Okay, so how many? 3 teammates, okay? And they want to have the same miles, okay? Same miles they want to run. Is it possible? Yeah, I guess, because 6 over 4, you can split that into what? 3 equal miles, which is so each team member can run 2 over 4 miles, okay? Because 2 over 4 plus 2 over 4 plus 2 over 4 is equal to what? 6 over 4. So the answer is what? Yes. They say explain, so I'm gonna write it more. Each team member can run 2/4 mile. Okay, that's it. So your homework will be 357 and 258. Okay, and please get ready for our class now and get ready for the questions that you have. All right, I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.